Hi, this is Nick from MSPD Africa with a quick video on how to connect your Fox 30 kilowatt inverters in parallel. What we're going to want to do first is locate our master inverter 24-pin COM plug. Once we've found this plug, we're going to take our plug and we will see that there is dip switches. There are 4 dip switches, 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the master inverter and the last slave inverter, we need to turn all of these on. Once we've done that on the master inverter, we're going to do that on our last slave inverter. Turn all 4 on. Once we've done that, we will then take our CAN communication cable and from the master inverter's COM plug, we are going to plug into RJ45-2, and then that cable is going to run to our slave inverter RJ45-1. Then we will take our next CAN cable and plug that into RJ45-2 and plug the other end into our last slave RJ45-1.